But he has these three sections in the Kitab Kasra Shahwatayn, and the first of them he calls Al-Qawl fi Shahwatil Farj, discourse on sexual desire, page 165 of the translation. And again, because he's an upbeat, optimistic Muslim and gives us the good news, he begins by saying, know that man, humanity, has been made subject to sexual desire for two beneficial reasons. It's basically a good thing. It's part of Allah's desire that human beings should be happy. The first of these is that by knowing its delight, he is able to draw an analogy which suggests to him what the delight of the afterlife must be like. So it's the exact opposite of the Christian image, whereby by being celibate, by renouncing this, you get some kind of foretaste of the celibate angelic life of the blessed in the life to come. In Islam, it's the opposite, because this is a foretaste of the non-problematized, sexualized life of the blessed in the garden. So it has almost a sacramental function. Its taste is a taste of Jannah, necessarily. The Quran makes this specific. The Quranic images are not metaphors of something that's utterly beyond our comprehension. There is a real resemblance between the pleasures that it describes and the pleasures that we know. So he says, for the delight of the sexual act, were it to last, would be the greatest pleasure of the body, just as the pain of a burn is the body's greatest agony. Encouragement and deterrence, targhib wa tarhib, which drive people towards their saving happiness, can only be brought about by means of palpable pain and pleasure, since what cannot be perceived through experience will never be greatly desired. In other words, if paradise had been something completely out of this world, with no resemblance to the things of this world, nobody would really want it. I mean, how can you want what's completely outside your own experience of what's pleasurable? The second reason is that it allows the human race to continue and the world to abide. Such are its benefits, obviously. Major benefits. So it gives us the good news first. Then he says, however, sexual desire also contains evils which may destroy both religion and the world if it is not controlled and subjugated and restored to a state of equilibrium. This is the wasat. It has been said that the Quranic verse, رَبَّنَا وَلَا تُحَمِّلْنَا مَا لَا طَاقَةَ لَنَا بِهِ, our Lord, do not burden us with more than we can bear, refers, when correctly interpreted, to powerful lust, powerful sexual desire. And that's as good an interpretation as any. We all need to make this prayer. Particularly when we live in a world that really doesn't understand the necessity of any self-control in this. This is a dua we should be making in a contrite spirit repeatedly.